This video is being shot to troubleshoot our 50-watt Light O Rama LED lights. This is our northern light stage. We have 30 lights on the driver's side of the road and 32 lights on the passenger side of the road. The lights are spaced out 20 feet apart. The network comes in from the top of the hill. Both networks are 500K enhanced mode. The driver's side is on auxiliary network A by itself, and the passenger side is on auxiliary network B by itself. This is sequence alternates between red, green, and blue at 3/4 of a second per color change. No fades, so it should be duplicated on both sides of the road. The driver's side seems to be behaving a little better than the passenger side, but the passenger side is kind of nuts, especially towards the top of the hill. Lights don't work, they strobe, they flash. We have some of that effect on the driver's side too. We can see some strobing going on a little up the hill, but we have replaced some of the boards, but we have also bought an oscilloscope this year to help troubleshoot the signals to find out what's going on with these lights. It looks beautiful when they work, but it's been a struggle for us for many years. Hope this video helps describe our problem and we can dig into it further. Thank you.